We need to keep on innovating because the job is not done. We have nearly 40 million people living with HIV in the world today, and we know that a significant proportion of those people still cannot access medication or they cannot tolerate the medications that are already there.
We know that as people age, they have changing needs, changing comorbidities, and with that, treatment needs to adapt.
One of the things that's really important that ViiV is doing is to ensure that we include diverse populations in our clinical trials in the first instance, so that the clinical trials that we do have relevance across the board and that everybody can identify with these results and see that the medicines that are being tested apply to them.
We've heard loud and clear that people want different medicines. They want medicines that they can take less frequently than once a day.
The future of HIV medicine, certainly in the treatment and the PrEP spaces, is long-acting.
We need to be able to go longer dosing between intervals because that's what people are telling us they would find most helpful.
We are innovating in long-acting formulations, in opportunities to deliver self-administration, in opportunities to have long-acting dosing intervals up to 6 months and maybe beyond.
We thought everybody would have a certain type of oral regimen. ViiV stepped away from that, dared to do something different, and now everybody else is following.
We have the tools, but we have to continue fighting. We need the political will, we need continued innovation, and we need everybody to come together to get this done.
We can't do it alone. We need partnerships to make this happen, and collaboration is key.
And ultimately, we'd like to get to a stage where if you can achieve what's called a functional cure, you don't need to take medicines anymore at all.
People have been working on this for years, and we know there are some significant challenges, mainly because the virus itself integrates into host cell DNA, and this means that it can be really hard to eradicate HIV from the body.
In order to get to cure, we need to be bold and persistent, patient and collaborative, particularly with external partners, because that's what it will take to achieve that.
So my personal commitment is to keep on going and keep on doing the research and trying to find out new things until eventually you don't need me anymore.